Hi everyone, I think it's the 15th time I've been trying to record this video. I hope this one it will be the good one. My name is Helene Podsadni. I'm leading the engagement with the startup and fintech community and support partnership for the Nordics and the Baltics at Visa. I have more than 15 years of experience in digital transformation and business expansion in the payment and software as a service industry. I am very pleased and honored to participate in this virtual summit today. So please be ready to listen to my longest selfie video ever without any Snapchat filter. It's exciting to work in this field, especially in the Nordics. The Nordic Fintech landscape is a vibrant startup scene and have played a big part in the evolution of the banking experience. However, we recognize at Visa the challenges that the fintechs face when they are trying to take their venture to the next level. So for the fintechs, we act as an enabler of innovation. We allow them to benefit from our global reach, market knowledge, and our expertise within security and regulations. That is how we see ourselves as the champions of fintech. So today, I'll tell you more about how we work, partner, and support fintechs, and how Visa contributes to building the payment ecosystem of tomorrow. I'll also share our view on some key focus areas where fintechs are changing the payments game. So, how an organization like Visa view fintechs? Fintechs, as you know, because you are part of them, are innovating rapidly, and for Visa, it is crucial to support the development of the payment ecosystem. So we support many fintechs at Visa. We partner with some and we invest in few. We are working in partnership with some Europe's most innovative fintechs, including Revolut, Klarna, TransferWise, Vips, Tomorrow, and Mina Technology. We want to offer the most developed solution for consumers, business, and communities. This is the reason why we are joining forces with successful fintechs, because we know that together we can deliver the next generation of payment. So we can briefly talk about the partnership with Vips, for instance. This partnership brings digital wallet capabilities to more banks in Europe, and it is empowering the consumers to send money, pay, and get paid via the mobile wallet. Klarna, our partnership with Klarna, is also another good example. It proves our commitment to partner with a new generation of payment providers to bring secure online commerce to many more consumers. Our global partnership with TransferWise sees the first use case of Visa Cloud Connect, a new way to securely connect to VisaNet through the cloud. Let's move on to the next key question: how Visa is concretely supporting the fintechs. We basically provide instant access to Visa network, the largest and most secure payment network in the world. We also provide our fintech clients or partners with APIs, for instance, to enable new ways of lending or handling transactions, educational programs, resources within consulting and analytics, a dedicated and local fintech team, so talking about my team in the Nordics and the Baltics, and we give access we give the Fintechs access to our fast track program. Our Fintech Fast Track program has already helped more than 40 European Fintechs to achieve in a very efficient and fast way their goals of providing their customers with better products and services. We believe at Visa in the power of partnerships. Visa scale and know-how makes both parties stronger together. We have also recently launched a new program called Fintech Partner Connect in Europe. It provides basically, it's like a marketplace of fintechs. So it provides to financial institutions, merchants in Europe with a suite of enhanced capabilities, combining Visa capabilities with those of these carefully selected fintech partners. So the subscription management to bank consumer is a good example. That is something that we can offer to some of our big financial institution through MENA technologies. I also wanted to bring to your attention another program that is fintech focused, and the name of this program is Visa Everywhere Initiative. I don't know if you ever heard of it, but this is definitely a great program for you guys, the fintechs. So it's basically it's a global initiative. It's an open innovation program that helps you guys unlock new opportunities. It gives you a global platform to demonstrate your groundbreaking solutions, and the total prices amount to $100K. And this year we are partnering with TechCrush for a worldwide live stream of the final. So it's a great exposure for you guys who wants to expand into new regions and make it to finals. So applications are now open, so don't wait, because you can apply until June the 18th for the European region. Moving on to the next subject that I wanted to cover today is how are we driving the evolution of payment. As you probably know, we have many ongoing projects across financial technology sectors, including real-time payments, cross-border payments, open banking, and digital currencies. These are making major contributions to building the payment ecosystem of tomorrow. So this acceleration towards digital payments has become much bigger in recent times, with a growing number of ways to pay and to be paid. So we, consumer, we expect capabilities, user experience, and standards to be available across a wider set of players. So payment must meet buyers and sellers wherever they choose to transact, regardless of the channel and the mode of purchase. So this is why we often say that Visa goal is to act as a network of networks, because we want to connect payers and payees regardless of which payment type and rail they are using. So in practice, it means that we are opening up valuable capabilities of our networks to other payments flow or other players. For example, expertise in the secure authentication of sellers and buyers to prevent fraud, and safe and efficient cross-border payments. In addition to existing cross-border capabilities in the card space, we have expanded our reach to 99% of bank accounts in 88 countries with Visa payments, which is formerly Earthport. So we can now say that Visa is an open network business. We feel we have the responsibility to partner with players that are bringing innovation into the global digital payment networks. That's how the network evolves. So again, the strategic partnership with the Norwegian mobile wallet provider Vipps is a good example. It helps bring their digital wallet capabilities to banks across Europe. So that's a perfect example of our strategy. So, what is shaping the next year in fintech? Whether you realize it or not, fintech innovation is playing a role in our daily life, especially in the Nordics and the Baltics. Our fintech clients are developing solutions in areas such as digital banking, wallets, payroll, crypto, and commercial payment solutions. So looking ahead, here's our take on some key categories where fintechs are changing the payments game, basically. The first area would be probably for us credit space. So credit your way. Many fintechs start with card debit offering. Now we are seeing interesting trends in credit, and buy now, pay later, has become the norm in many markets. Sweden is a good example. Our new APIs are allowing merchants and financial institutions to give Visa cardholders more options for how and when they pay for their purchases before, during, and after the transaction. Embedded finance. Payments now inside your favorite enterprise software. We see payment volume originating in new verticals, driven, for instance, by software platforms that manage things such as restaurant bookings or gym memberships. We see also Visa credentials embedded into accounts payable platforms like Internet of Things devices, such as cars, electronics, and appliances. Our partnership with Fidesmo in Sweden proves this growing trend. Neobanks. We believe that neobanks are also creating the new community banks. They are increasingly creating digital banking solutions that meet the needs of specific group or communities, including those that have long been underrepresented in the financial sector. The success of Klarna, Rocker, or Luna Bank in the Nordics are good examples of digital banking platforms that are focusing on improving the Nordic consumer financial lives. What about digital currency? The emergence of a vibrant developer ecosystem building on top of the public blockchain networks and stable coins is leading to a new generation of digital wallets and financial services. Many of our fintechs partner or clients are building products that use digital currencies in some capacity. We have been working closely with a digital currency platform like Coinbase, Crypto.com, BlockFi, Fold, or Bitpanda, which have chosen to issue with Visa. Opening up digital wallets, that's another key area, we believe. Around the world, digital wallet adoption is on the rise, along with new generation of platforms such as Airwallex, Goyek, or LinePay. Working with digital wallet providers such as MobilePay in Denmark or Vipps in Norway to embed Visa credentials into third-party payment services is key for us. Because we definitely want to deploy interoperable payment system that will benefit consumer, merchants, and wallets. So to conclude, I would say that it's a privilege to serve the companies that are creating these new payment flows and expanding the reach of financial services. We recognize our role to help identify, support, and onboard the next generation of payment innovators who are growing the pie for everyone. So thank you for watching, stay safe, and wash your hands.